All right, let's see what's going on with the guitar. The guitar is sat to the left of the band on stage, so he's spanned a little bit to the left, the way I'm looking at him from, well, sorry, he sat to the right on stage, which is front of house left for me. So you can hear him a little bit to the left. We're just capturing straight from a pedal board, XLR out. High pass filter. So it sounds a little bit muddy. You know, it has reverbs and everything. I'm probably going to try and find that and just take a little bit out just to help it clean up a bit. That right there for me. See, if you take a lot, it thins up the guitar. That's not what I want. I just want a little bit out. This is EQ in. Without the EQ. You see how that low mid comes up with the EQ? So it just cleans it up just a little bit. Now, depending on what's going on, I might come back and boost some of the high mid so that I can hear what's going on with the guitar. But I'll make that decision once we bring in the keyboards. Let's bring in the drums and bass. Without the EQ and the low pass, the high pass, sorry. You hear all that mud with the guitar. Let's bring in the high pass. Clean that up. And then let's bring in the EQ. Let's make the drums and bass for a second. So I also do the same thing with the guitar. Most guitars usually already sound compressed depending on the tone they're using, but I do a little bit of compression just to kind of help keep the guitar from sticking out too much. Let's activate the compressor real quick. Okay, let's bring in the drums and bass again.